Hello, welcome back to another Tech Tip by Appliance video. Today we will take a look at why is my side-to-side refrigerator not cooling. Be sure to visit appliancevideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. Appliancevideo.com. Do it right the first time. Occasionally, units can be accidentally put into a demo showroom mode, which will prevent your refrigerator from cooling, even though all your interior lights will be working. This is very common for refrigerators older than 2018 by Whirlpool. The showroom mode is used when the refrigerator or freezer is on display in a retail store. In most cases, there will be an indicator showing that it is in showroom mode right on the main user interface panel of the refrigerator. To take the unit out of the showroom mode, press and hold the Fahrenheit or Celsius button and the drawer button on the user interface for 3 seconds. On other units, you may find that you have to hold the refrigerator temp and freezer temp buttons for 5 seconds. If neither of these methods have worked for you, you will need to look up the specific instructions for your specific model. If it was properly deactivated, you should see the showroom light go off, and you will hear the compressor and interior fan motors come on inside the unit. This will tell you that the functionality of the refrigerator should be back to normal in 6 to 8 hours. Hey, did this video help you? If so, like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll see you in the next one.